Shalom everyone! The miracle of Israel is not just in its creation, but in its resilience. For thousands of years, the Jewish people dreamed of a homeland, and against all odds, they brought that dream to life in the heart of the Middle East. Israel is a beacon of hope, not just for the Jewish people, but for all those who believe in the power of determination, innovation, and the pursuit of peace in the face of adversity. Anyway, have a blessed day everyone.